Hello friends, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna share how to get iOS 14.6 Emojis on your Android phone. So stay tuned and don't skip it and watch this video full. These are Android emoji. And these are the iOS emojis.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
First of all, you have to go to Google Play Store. Then search Z Font 3. Install it on your phone. Wi-Fi sucks. Installation complete. Grant all the permission. Tap agree and move on. Then go to emoji. Then go to first option iOS 14.6. Download it. Then make it apply and go to third option. Here are your iOS 14.6 emojis. Take a closer look. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. If found video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you face any kind of problem, then you can contact me on Instagram. You can also follow me on Instagram at SincerelyAccept. Thanks for clicking on this video. APKA din SUBH.